What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we have another unboxing video and this one's gonna be good.
Always be by my side till the day I die.
I hope you guys are having a great day, and today we have another unboxing video. I'm very excited to be back and I hope you guys are as well. Last video we did an unboxing on a McLaren 600 LT by Solito. And the video went pretty well, and I'm glad you guys are enjoying the content. So here we have another unboxing. This time it's a Maisto model, and this one is a Lamborghini Urus, the SUV from Lamborghini. And yeah, I'm so excited to open this. We also changed our recording location a bit, So we got nice natural lighting. But yeah, look at this box, guys. It's super dirty, as you guys can see. Oh my gosh, that is pretty gross. It's because I haven't touched it in so long, and yeah, it's a bit old, I think. So it's been up there for a while. So much dust on it here, as you can see. It's pretty bad. So let's get right into the unboxing, so that we can see the fresh paint of this beautiful gray Lamborghini Urus. So here it is, guys, and look how beautiful that looks. My first impression right after I opened it out of the box is like, wow, this thing looks gorgeous. Especially in this like light right now, like this color is just shining, like absolutely gorgeous, guys. Lamborghini Urus, Maisto has done a great job, and yeah, I'm very satisfied. And look at these wheels, man, like diamond spoke. Wow, beautiful. Looks like the front doors do open, which is very nice, but the back doors do not open. I think the trunk will open as well, and so will the engine bay up here. And wow, it's just a beauty, guys. Like a Lamborghini SUV. There was a while back. It was like LM something. Let me just fact check that real quick. Yeah, it was a Lamborghini LM002. And it was like an off-road truck type of thing, but not exactly an SUV. So I guess you could say this is officially the first Lamborghini SUV that has been produced, and it's still producing today, of course. It's a very cool car, for sure. And look at that. They don't even have a sticker for the back here. The trunk opens right away. It has this really cool Italian kind of style number plate right here, with like the Italian colors, I mean. And as you guys can see, that opens right up. Good trunk space right here to put some groceries in and some cool stuff in there. But there's that. And also something I noticed is that this model is so high quality. Like, this is just Maisto special edition, but this feels like almost like a more expensive $100 model. And yeah, you can see that this logo even is not just a sticker, but it's actually a logo, like a separate piece that's made in metal, which is only on a high quality model. So this is very impressive, and I'm very satisfied. And of course, for these Maisto models, you can get it in many places: eBay, Amazon. Those are not the best places to get it, and I'll link some better websites below, like Diecastcarworld.com and stuff like that. But also, a special deal is when, like, near the holidays at Costco, you can pick one of these up for $13. That is the best price you can get any kind of diecast car in, for a 1/18 scale, of course. And yeah, that's just fantastic. $13 for a 1/18 diecast car like this, an absolute must grab. So yeah, just look out for holidays like before Christmas, Thanksgiving. Sometimes it's just really random. Just sometimes every time you go to Costco, maybe you can try to find one of these Maisto diecast cars, and you might be able to pick one of these up for a very good price. So let's get this thing out of this little platform, and we'll look at it more in detail. But of course, this is just an unboxing video. I'll do more in the review video next time. So here it is, guys, the car fully unboxed. This is the 2020 Lamborghini Urus. This thing has a whopping 641 horsepower, 4.0 V8 engine inside this hood right here. And let's actually try to open this up real quick, just to see what it looks like in the engine bay. it has this small little sticker here. So here it is, the home of the V8 engine. If I can try to get it to open. Do this. Yep, that will do the trick. And yeah, as you can see, the engine opens. It's not the most detailed in here, it's just a plastic cover and some more plastic around it. But it has V8. Maybe, what does it say? Something really small right there. It's probably not even a word there. But here you can see the Lamborghini logo as well. And this is actually not printed. It's actually a separate emblem like the one on the trunk, which is really nice. That's actually a cool detail. It has this little pattern and the engine cover itself, and it looks really great. Just real quick, I guess, headlamps, very detailed. It doesn't have like individual, well, it kind of does actually. It has like kind of like individual LEDs. Pretty cool. It has a Urus badge up here. Does it have active like suspension? Let's check it out. Maybe a little bit. It's a bit weird, but it definitely has some suspension that's working between the wheels and the car. You can see a little bit of the interior. I haven't taken off that yet because I haven't got access to the scissors right now. But you can kind of see the interior. I'll do more in a detailed review, but looks good. And the rear seat as well. And yeah, overall, man, like this model, if you get it for $13, that's absolutely a bang for your buck. That's 100% worth it. And even if you get it for like $30 to $40, I think it's a good model to have. It's a cool car, you know, one of the coolest cars, Lamborghini SUV, the Lamborghini Urus. Then okay, I can't speak. And they also had like a concept car before the Urus actually came out. I think it was like a SUV. Maybe it was also called the Urus, but before the actual production Urus, there was like a concept Urus SUV car, which is also pretty cool. But yeah, doesn't have a sunroof though. It's a bit of a miss, I guess. If they had a sunroof, maybe it would look even better. But yeah, this is the car. It looks great. Very aggressive styling. I love Lamborghinis, one of my favorite brands of all time. They have this aggressive styling to every single one of their cars, and I think it looks fantastic. And this Urus might be available in a few different colors as well, maybe yellow, red, and I'm not sure if they had green, but I'll also link those in the description below. Also, I don't really know why, but this diecast car seems to look a little bit smaller compared to other 118 diecast cars. I don't know if that's just a feeling, maybe it's just the color or something, but yeah, I'll try to test it out, put it side by side, of course, but it just looks a little bit smaller. I'm not sure why. But look at this, guys. It has a little cool spoiler right here, and yeah, everything looks really great. I mean, even the exhaust tips look pretty nice. It's plastic, but it gets the job done, you know. If it was metal, maybe it'd look better, but the plastic itself actually does a good job right there. And this thing ends right here. The wheel is actually one of my favorites. Look how cool that looks. Even in motion, guys, like that is a nice looking wheel. Wow, that's beautiful. And the brake calipers are not colored, they're just in black on the front. And the rear one just silver with like black accents. Alright guys, so here's some cool facts about the Lamborghini Urus. This car can go to 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 3.6 seconds. Reaches a top speed of 190 miles per hour in an SUV, guys. And the design, performance, driving dynamics, everything is really a visionary approach to the Lamborghini DNA. So this thing is a fully fledged Lamborghini, guys. It might be an SUV, but this will give you the Lamborghini DNA. And this, I'm talking about the real car, of course. So yeah, it's definitely an iconic car. And actually, I've seen quite a few of these on the road, so maybe this will definitely boost Lamborghini's sales, and as like a brand, you know, a new segment of their brand, the SUVs. I think it's a great car for them as well, you know. Because if they only kept selling supercars and like V10, V12 engine supercars, like I don't think they can go too far with it. And this SUV, kind of practical and sporty and really awesome at the same time and fast. I think it's a great model for Lamborghini's future and the current. So I think that's pretty much it for this quick unboxing video. I just wanted to unbox it and put it into my collection. So I was like, why not make a video, guys? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you did. And actually, one more thing. I'm gonna take this car outside to show you guys some cool pictures and clips from an outside location. Alright guys, another thing that I just noticed that is highly disappointing is that right here, as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it's a 120 scale. And I'm collecting in 118 scale, so I don't know what happened there because I'm pretty sure it was advertised as 118 scale, but I realized that it's 120 scale. So I put it next to another diecast car. I was like, wait a minute, this looks a bit smaller than my other cars, and this is an SUV. It shouldn't be that small. But I realized, or when I looked at the back right now, it says 120, and that's a big disappointment for sure. So I think I just got scammed a bit because on the box it said 118. Alright guys, so we're officially outside. But another thing I did notice is that the brand badging is actually Bburago. And I believe Maisto and Bburago are basically the same brand. I think they bought each other, or like they're basically in like the same main company. But yeah, the branding itself is actually Bburago, guys. Not Maisto, but it was in the Maisto box, and I believe I got this at Costco for $13. A really good deal. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed some of that outdoor content to freshen it up a bit, of course. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed that, I think it's like a cool way to show the car, outside, kind of where a car belongs, really, out on the road and stuff. And if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, and I'll do more of these. And if you guys want some more outdoor shoots of some of my diecast cars, please let me know. Man, this car looks so good. Oh my god. Let me just tell you that right now. The wheels are just popping, and yeah, just overall a beautiful car. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Please subscribe for more Diecast content. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And yeah, and please leave a comment if you have anything you want to say. Just anything in general about cars, diecast cars, questions, anything. Please feel free to leave them down below. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.